Hey guys, welcome to NS Tech Videos. Today we'll be going over how to replace the battery in your Apple Watch. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's go ahead and get started. So I had this Apple Watch and I noticed that screen was kind of popping up, if you can see right over here. And the reason for that is my battery is bubbling up in there, so it needs to be replaced. So I'll be showing you how to replace the battery. And if you don't know, if you're with your box and you're not sure which battery to order or what series your Apple Watch is, it's in the back of the Apple Watch. You can read it right over here, so you can take a look and see what watch you have and you can order the part. And parts I ordered are through Amazon, and this is the parts that I ordered. So let's see what's in there. So they do have some instructions to go along with. So it shows you how to replace the battery in here. And then you have some tools. And then you have your battery. So here's the battery. So here's the tool that I'll be using to take the screen off. So you gently just lift it. Mine is already lifting because, like I told you, battery's kind of bubbling, so it kind of came off already. And then once you have it up to this point, you can just leave it on the side. I don't want to actually take it off completely. If you want to, you can. I just want to see if I can remove the battery. So the next tool I'll be using is this one. So all these tools do come with the kit. So once you order the kit, you'll get all these tools that I'm using to undo the battery and replace it. So I'll leave a link in the description where I order mine from if you wanted to order one. So all you have to do is just kind of lift the battery up with the tool, and once you have it off a little bit, it's glued to the bottom, so you kind of have to peel it off. And there you go. So mine is peeled off. See how there's some glue on there, and it is connected. So next I'll be disconnecting the battery. So you kind of gently disconnect the battery. So you can just kind of peel or disconnect it. So you can use your fingers or you can use a tool. So kind of, there you go. So mine came off. Here it is. So let me show you what I'm talking about when I say it was bubbling. So see how this battery looks. I don't know if you can see. It's kind of bubbling in this part. So that's why I was pushing the screen up. Let me compare it to the other battery so you guys can see a little bit better. So here's the new battery. So this is a new battery. See how flat this one is compared to the old one. You can see the difference. So that's why if your screen is popping up on the Apple Watch, is most likely because of the battery bubbling. So you can just order this kit and try to see if you can replace the battery. So let's go ahead and replace the battery. So you do have this sticker at the bottom. So you'll kind of peel this sticker off. You can do that once you connect the battery. So let's go ahead and connect this one. you kind of just have to put it, it's kind of snap on, so you just have to align it a little bit. Just align it, okay, and just snap it back. There you go. So mine snapped back. I'm not gonna glue it. Before I glue it, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can turn the watch on. Actually, I turned it off, so let me see if let me put it on charge and see if it turns on. Okay, there you go. So it is turning on, so that means battery is good. So let me disconnect the charger and go ahead and peel this sticker off from the back of the battery so I can stick it back at the bottom of the, oh, there you go. The battery came back off again, so I have to reconnect it. So like I said, it's kind of like, it's just a snap-on thing. So there you go, it snapped back on. It's not that hard to snap it on. And then just kind of peel the sticker off. Make sure it does not disconnect again. So there you go, peel the sticker off so you can actually once you, there it is. So the battery is actually glued to the bottom again. And after putting a new battery, I can see that it's kind of closing very nicely now. So let's see. So you'll need to remove this little clip right here. You'll need to remove this. It's just kind of like a snap-on, same thing. So I'm using the tweezer that came with it. Okay, there you go. So it just comes right off. Here it is. And then all you have to do is disconnect. There you go. So you just, same thing, it's snap on, snap off. So you'll kind of disconnect it. And make sure you clean any glue residue that's on here. So I'm actually using like an alcohol wipe. I want to use this. It is electronic, so I don't want to put anything that might drip. So I'm just kind of like wipe it down all the way around the watch and the screen as well. So just gonna kind of wipe it down. Try to take off as much glue as you can. There you go. So I can kind of peel the whole thing off. There it is. Kind of just peeling it off. So it just came right off. If you grab it with the tweezers, it's a little bit easier. Just, there it is. So all the glue just came off. And once the glue is off, just take your alcohol wipe, or you can take a swab, just dip it a little bit in the alcohol. Don't make it really wet because it is electronic, so you don't want to wet the electronics. So you kind of just wipe it down let it dry for a few seconds. So go glue the screen back on. So this is what it comes, the same thing it comes in with the kit. So you just kind of remove the tape from the edge. There you go. Kind of remove it just like that. I'm gonna try to put it right at the edge. You kind of just start out either edge and make sure you just kind of stick it together, and then I'm gonna try to use the tweezer to kind of peel the rest. There you go, and make sure it's nicely so once you do that, then you kind of have to remove the back part of it so that way you can stick the screen on there. There you go. Kind of just peel it off. Peels right off. And now you can glue the screen on. So first, same thing, just how you snap these off and just kind of snap them back on. You can use a tweezer if it makes it easier. You kind of just see how you're gonna snap it on. Just play around with it a little bit, but it shouldn't be that hard to snap them back on. You can actually leave the sticker on there before you make sure you snap them off first, and then you can peel the sticker off. I already actually peeled mine off, so hopefully it will stick really nicely. There you go. So this is all snapped on, and then you're gonna get this little piece. Make sure it's all nicely secured. Same thing, grab that little piece, make sure it's right on top of it, and it's the same thing, it's a snap on, so you kind of just snap it on. There you go. Mine is all secure, so you can see it's all secured. Before you attach the screen, make sure you turn it on. So let me take a look and make sure it turns on, so everything is working. Okay, there you go. So Apple Watch is on, so that means everything is working. So I'm just gonna kind of disconnect it for now and snap it back on gently. Just make sure you go around all the corners so they all stick. It's two-sided glue strip, so you just want to make sure that you kind of snap it back on and press it on all sides, just to make sure that it's nice and tight, so it's stuck to the glue. And kind of leave it on. There you go. Let me turn the Apple Watch on. There you go. My watch is turning on. So this is how you replace the battery in your Apple Watch. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. You can leave a comment below and I'll try to answer those questions for you. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. And thanks a lot for watching, guys.